창이가 좋아하는 랜덤 게임 게임 스타트.
Hello everyone, it's me, Teacher Julian. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to count numbers from 1 to 10. Are you ready? Let's go! This is number 1, O-N-E, 1. I have here 1 pencil. This is number 2, T-W-O. I have here 2 apples, 1, 2. This is number 3, T-H-R-E-E, 3. I have here 3 butterflies, 1, 2, 3, 3. This is number 4, F-O-U-R, 4. I have here 4 watermelons, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5, F-I-V-E, 5. I have here 5 beans, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is number 6, S-I-X, 6. I have here 6 fruits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. This is number 7, S-E-V-E-N, 7. I have here 7 insects, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. This is number 8, E-I-G-H-T, 8. I have here 8 colored pencils, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is number 9, N-I-N-E, 9. I have here 9 trees, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is number 10, T-E-N, 10. I have here 10 rabbits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye, children.
아파트 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 아파트